Okay, so this is a demo for the packaging for the second generation electronics dashboard for Wikispeed. The way I've done this is I've got 5 different modules here, 6 actually. The one in the center here is going to go under the dashboard. It has the Arduino sitting in there, and it's got a little shield on top that just hooks up to these. All that it does is hook up to these RJ45 connectors that are on this switch plate. We've got all that these are just regular hardware store switch enclosures for regular wall switches for new construction. Very inexpensive, very lightweight. And for the not very waterproof, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. There are 4 of them, one for each corner of the car, and then this one is a double switch unit that has the Arduino in it, and this will go on the dashboard, one for each corner of the car. What's inside each of these is a set of 4 relays, and again on the outside I've got these ones taken apart obviously. On the outside we've got either a double or a single connector for RJ45. So what happens is we go from the central unit to the front and rear left corners of the car. Then each of those go over to the right corners, and and that's it. And the front relays control the left and right blinkers, the running lights, the headlights, the low beam and high beams. In the rear, it controls the running lights again. Brake lights, left and right blinker, and backup lights. So now this little circuit board here is I've actually repurposed the shield that I had on top of the Arduino in the first place. That's now just taking off all of the signals from the Arduino. And the thing is I ran out of LEDs, or I had built another one of these that's just for this purpose. But this is essentially the what's going to be the display on the dashboard, and somebody's going to have to build one of these in Linwood. It's really very simple, and I'll supply the schematic and so forth. But it should be done in a form factor that is made to install on the dashboard of the car, and that's why I have no idea what that looks like, so I can't very well do that. And this is, you've seen the demo of this piece before. This gets mounted onto the steering column, and it should just go right over it like that. The only thing that's missing from this right now, apart from the final version of the display, is haven't worked out how to hook up the brake switch and the reverse switch to the Arduino, but everything else is there. The other thing is that I've got the sensor for the ambient light sensor. It's just a photoresistor, is mounted here, and that's probably not the best place for it. Typically where it goes is on the mirror in the front of the car, on the back of the mirror, so that it's picking up the best light there. This will work, but the sensitivity, there will be sensitivity issues if it remains here. So anyway, I'll just show you how all of this is working. So we've got I just hit the left blinker, and we can see that both the front and the back relays are are going off there, and we also have the blinker on the display is going off as well, and I can switch over to the other side. You can hear them going in the on the right side, but not obviously can't see them there. But we've got the bright flash there, and then the running lights, headlights, brights on continuously, and all the good stuff, you know, with the blinkers, emergency flashers. The emergency flashers are actuated by holding the light switch in for a period of time. Yes, the ambient light, by pressing, when all the lights are off, if you press twice quickly for turning on the brights, it enables the automatic automatic headlight. And if I just cover the ambient light sensor, it switches them on and off as it's supposed to. And that, I believe, well, obviously I can't demo the backup light or the brake light because I don't have a switch for either of those, but that's pretty much what's going to be coming your way, Linwood, as soon as Fred Cook gets here.